Hi there, my name is Mary Okwong, and I am the founder of Smart Business Insights. So Smart Business Insights was built as a tool for helping small business owners in the food industry in Africa to understand their numbers and make smarter business decisions. So it's basically a business intelligence tool. Let's jump right into it and see how this works. So I am going to sign in using my email address. You can also sign up using your you, through Google authentication as well. So yeah, when you log in, this is not the interface you're going to see on the dashboard. I have this because I already have data on the platform. So what you're going to do first when you come on the platform is to go to settings, and you would be able to select your currency on here. So you have the Nigerian Naira, the Ghanaian Cedi, US dollar, whichever one it is. We service countries across Africa. So yes, selecting Nigerian Naira for this. So the next thing you do after selecting your currency is to go to products and add products. So what I am going to do, you can either add manually or import file. For this demo, I am going to use the import file feature, and I am going to select an already existing um, document, and I am going to add that in here. Okay, so you can see this. If you make any mistake, you can always see and read upload. So everything looks correct here. If for any reason your your categories are not named, sorry, your columns are not named based on these titles, you can just click here to edit your columns to make sure that it rhymes with all the names that are here on the left. Okay, so I am going to confirm and import. Okay, so now that my products are all updated, the next thing I am going to do is go on over to costs. And I am going to add my costs one after the other. So you can see that there's operations cost, there's people's cost, production, marketing, and setup. So for my setup, I am going to click on this. I have my business registration added. So I have license and permits. Then marketing, I can add social media ads again. All you need to do is type in the amounts that you spent on social media ads, and then you can add that, and that's it. So after adding all your costs, this is supposed to help you track how much revenue is coming in versus how much you're spending monthly, and help advise on where to cut costs and what products to push better. So the next thing you're going to do is you're ready, set up. So you need to just start adding your daily sales. So if you sold, for example, 10 plates of jollof rice, 20 plates of, okay, this is duplicated, so grilled chicken 30, 309. So I can just go ahead and save all entries. After saving my entries, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my dashboard. And on my dashboard, you'll see that the numbers just changed from 1.3 million to 1.7 million, meaning that my sales has been added. And then you can see my net profit. I'm still making a loss. You can also see the trend. But most importantly is your business overview. So we've taken your data, and then we are telling you what it means in plain English. So your overhead cost is what's causing you to drown. Now, when you click on the button right there, it brings you to the AI Insights page. And on the AI Insights page, what we do is we've taken that data that you have provided, that's your daily sales and your cost, and then we've made sense of it in such a way that you would understand it in plain English. No plenty dashboards, so you can see that you have an explosive revenue growth because of the numbers I added. You can also see that your overheads are really high. Your product mix is also good. Waste control is excellent. But most importantly, after all this, is the fact that we give you a weekly action plan. So for this week, you're supposed to cut social media ad spend from this, negotiate rent reduction or find a cheaper location because rent is eating a lot of your revenue, and then focus your marketing budget on your winning day patterns. Analyze what made 21st, 25th, and 26th so successful. So it helps you make sense of your numbers and know what exactly is going on in your business. So yes, that's how Smart Business Insights work. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please send an email to creya360@gmail.com. That's CREYA 360@gmail.com, and I would be ready to field any of your questions and support in any way possible. Thank you. Bye.